Christs. You Christs who have come. You have to get out of meditation, get out of the cave, and take that great Zen focus. And we're going to see how great your focus is, because we're going to make you manifest a reality with your mind. Focus is how you do it. I teach you something different. I teach you not to run away from life, that life is a gift. You're here for a purpose. You're here to make known the unknown. You are ultimate creators. Our teachings at 101 is to give you back this lost knowledge, and not in just philosophy, but to teach you these things and deliver to you an exercise in which you manifest the teachings emotionally, experience them emotionally into wisdom, so that you may know truth. That's what 101 is about, is to reintroduce you to the forgotten power and identity of what you really are. For you're all gods, you're all beautiful, you never needed an intermediary.
I was basically living philosophy. It wasn't really doing anything. What really got me was Ram wanted to conquer himself, and that's the quest that I've been on since I can remember, to become a better person. All I can say to the world is mind-blowing. Mind-blowing.
Earlier this year, there was a 10-centimeter uterine mass and a 10-centimeter ovarian tumor concerning for cancer. I was hospitalized at the University of Washington because my condition was so complex. And during that hospitalization, while on morphine and on antibiotics, kept doing my neighborhood walk on the cancer ward. A few weeks later, I had another CT scan. The lymphocyte completely disappeared.
I've been spiritually searching since I was 16, 24 years ago now, that this is the only course that I've ever endorsed, or that I'd ever recommend for actually changing you or causing change to occur in your life.
Tout était parfait, maintenant ça continue, on a tous les outils pour mettre en pratique et puis continuer à apprendre toujours.
And thus becomes the immaculate experience that the student has with its own innate God, its own divine self, its immortal self. That's what we do at a 101. I love you, God loves you, and we're just starting, and you will see God. So be it. I am Ramtha, the Enlightened One, servant unto Christ and servant unto God. We're just starting to live.